great joy to be back. And more than anything else, I think it's the company of all the other curators that is so enriching to me. Hi, I'm Ayush Kasliwal. I'm from Jaipur. I'm curating the Charpai project, which comes to Goa again. It's something we do, we've done several times, and it's like a, I don't know, आप कोई बहरूपिया जानते हैं क्या होता है? So the Charpai project is a Behrupia. Each time it comes in different form, different space, different function. And this year we are collaborating with Samar, who's at the back, where we have slack lines going through the Charpai installation with artworks happening out there. And Salil just mentioned that it'll be one of the places where accessibility will be looked at as well. It's a resting area. But we have Salil out there who does slack lining. So let's see how that pairs up. So I'm super excited to be here and super excited to see all of you come there, be part of it, and chill. That's what Goa's about.